Habib Bank AG Zurich Review, honest user experience and in-depth look at Swiss banking services. Swiss banks are famous for their privacy, stability and precision, and Habib Bank AG Zurich is no exception. But how does it actually perform for personal and business banking in 2025? Here's my honest experience with this long-established institution. Habib Bank AG Zurich has been around since 1967, offering private, commercial and corporate banking services. What makes it unique is that it combines traditional Swiss banking principles, security, discretion and reliability with a global network that spans across Europe, Asia, Africa and the Middle East. Most people think Swiss banks are only for the ultra-wealthy, but the surprising truth is that Habib Bank offers accessible options for international clients. Account opening was smooth, though it required thorough documentation standard for Swiss compliance. Once set up, the online banking platform was secure, multilingual and easy to navigate. Their customer service deserves special mention. Whenever I contacted support, I received quick and professional responses, often from multilingual staff who could handle complex cross-border transactions. For business clients, the bank shines with trade finance solutions, foreign exchange services, and multi-currency accounts. They also provide tailored wealth management for individuals seeking long-term portfolio growth. Of course, privacy remains a major draw. Swiss financial regulations ensure that your data and assets are protected under some of the world's strictest confidentiality laws. The main downside? Habib Bank AG Zurich isn't the fastest when it comes to modern digital innovations. While the system works flawlessly, it feels more traditional compared to fully digital banks. In conclusion, Habib Bank AG Zurich blends old-school Swiss trust with global accessibility. It's best suited for professionals, entrepreneurs and expatriates who value financial stability and discretion above everything else.